Yeah, online students, is my voice is loud and clear? Guys, could you please confirm? Okay, guys. So let's start the session. In today's class, we are going to discuss few things, and from there, I'm going to make some few important announcements for you. Okay. So first, before starting the today's class, just have a small recap of what we have discussed and what had to be discussed, all these things. So now, first one is we have completed in terms of within the Python variables concept, followed by data types. What are the different data types are there? And within the data types, we have discussed with the fundamental data types along with the advanced data types, right? And after discussing fundamental and data types, we have seen what is meant by output in Python and indexing, how to do the indexing and slicing, and what is meant by output and what is meant by input in Python. So we have seen what is meant by output, what output means in terms of print, and also along with that input. And in the data types, we have discussed majorly in terms of int, float, bool, and string. And here we have discussed in terms of string methods. Along with that, we have discussed what is meant by typecasting, converting from one data type to another data type, and which is more useful during the input function. And within the advanced data types, we have discussed string and its methods. Okay, in advanced data types, we have discussed list and its methods. And from there, we have discussed in terms of tuple and its methods, and followed by set and its methods, dictionary and its methods. These are the advanced data types along with the indexing and slicing, for which one we are having the indexing, for which one we are having the slicing, all these things. From there, we have moved on to the operators. What are the different operators we are having? And after operators, we have discussed the conditional statements. And after conditional statements, we have discussed with the loops. And within the loops, we have discussed what is meant by while loop and what is meant by infinite loop and what is meant by for loop. And along with that loop, within the loops only, we have discussed what is meant by break and what is meant by continue. What is meant by continue. And along with that, we have also discussed whatever we are having, like nested for loop. Okay, nested loops, nested for loops. So these are the things which we have covered till now. Okay, from the day one onwards. And generally, I will be giving the trainings not only Naresh IT. Along with the Naresh IT, I will be providing the trainings for various organizations. As I'm working for almost 5 to 6 different organizations, I'm working. Out of 6 organizations, Naresh IT is one of them for me. And in this Naresh IT, whatever things, apart from Naresh IT, if I explain the same thing, for example, if I take one more upgrade, okay, I'm taking the classes for upgrade. I'll take the classes for bits. And also I'll take the classes for IIT Roorkee. Okay, and IIT Roorkee through Times. Okay, now whatever these premium institutes, wherever I take the classes, for all these institutes, I will explain whatever I have done for you in just 2 sessions. Only 2 sessions. Each session of 4 hours means 8 hours I'll explain. So according to you, it is 6 sessions. 1.5 hour session for you. So 1.5 hour means 6 sessions I will explain generally. Now, how many sessions we have discussed for you? You know already. So how much detail we have discussed in each of them, what are the methods possibilities are there, every method and all the things we have discussed more elaborately, but actually that much of things are not required. Okay. And generally I will complete this one in the 8 hours in 2 sessions. Okay. And Here I have taken with multiple classes. Of course, it's not a problem. If you understand clearly, that's very nice. And since we are starting, they are also freshers only. They are also new to Python only. Whoever are listening to my Python class, obviously they are new to Python. None of the person who knows already Python, they'll not sit in the Python class, right? They'll not pay the fees for again Python. Na? That is basic thing. Most of the people are completely new to Python only. They'll sit in the class. Less number of people will be there who are already having some knowledge on Python earlier in their BTech course or in the degree course, something they have done. That knowledge will be there. But most of the people coming to the real-time industry-oriented Python, they are completely new only. Okay. Now, the point is, till now we have completed these things. Now, what yet to be completed? If you open your syllabus copy, already we have shared you the syllabus copy. And if you're not having the syllabus copy, one more time, I'm going to share the syllabus copy in your drive and keep a look on, have a look on that. And in the next, if we are going to discuss the functions, what are the different types of functions? And from there, what are the different types of modules? And what is meant by with respect to error handling? What are the, how to handle the error? And that is nothing but exceptional handling. Error handling means nothing but exceptional handling, means whenever you get the errors, how it has to be modified. And along with that, file handling means how to open the file, how to close the file. Means this will be done in one session, this will be done for you in one session, and this will be done in the one session. Exceptional and file handling will be done in the one session. So like this, we are going to have the different 3 sessions. With this, the core Python will be completed. And from there, we'll move on to the NumPy. Okay, so this is going to be for one session for you. And this is going to be for one session. What are the modules are there? This is going to be for one session. And from there, this is going to be for one session. And NumPy, we are going to discuss NumPy, and NumPy will be of 2 sessions. And from there, we'll discuss the pandas. And the pandas also will be for 2 sessions, 2 or 3 sessions. Okay. And along with that, we are going to do the data cleaning, how to do the data cleaning in Python by taking one data set. And we are going to do for this 2 sessions. For example, if I do the pandas for 2, this is for 2 and this is for 2. With this, your Python will be completed. Complete Python will be completed. Okay. And from there, we'll move on to the statistics. And once statistics is completed, statistics will be done for 5 sessions. And once the statistics is completed, with that, your fundamentals related to data analyst role will be completed. From there, we'll move on to the, okay, what are the things we are having? That is, first we'll load the data, that is SQL, and we'll clean the data using the Python and statistics. And from there, we are going to present that one in the Power BI. So Matplotlib and Seaborn, these are the 2 libraries which are used for visualization. And that visualization also will be done during these classes. And when I explain the plots, how to make the plots in Power BI, how to make the same plot in Tableau, how to make the same plot in the Python. Plot is same. Whatever the plot name is there, the plot will be the same. In the same plot, I'll show you in the Power BI, Tableau, and all these things. So data visualization class separately will be done. At the time, it includes the multiple things of various plots, and that various plots time it will take almost for you. I mean, complete data visualization. It is going to take for another 5 days. So like this, we are going to have. And by end of this month, we have to complete all these things. Okay, then only we can complete next month SQL, Python, Power BI project in first 2 weeks, SQL, Python, Tableau project in the second week. Okay, so first we have to complete in this month. These are the things. So before to your Dasra, this part will be completed. And after your Dasra, this part will be completed. Okay, and we will complete by end of this month. And my only thing is here, basically I told you now, the previous classes, actually we are lagging by 3 classes. Actually, this actually as per the schedule, what are the present day class we are there, right? This should be completed before 3 days before itself. So we are lagging with 3 to 4 classes as per our schedule. So we are going in a slow manner. Now this is only slow manner means if you still go with the still slow, or if you are saying that sir, doubts I want to clear one more time and I want to listen for one more time, repeat the same thing. See, getting the doubt is not a problem, guys. But without you practice asking the trainer to repeat, that is wrong. If you have practiced and you have done everything and there you are getting the doubts and that doubts you are asking means absolutely not a wrong. I'm not saying here, don't ask questions. Don't take in a wrong way. Don't modify this one. I'm not saying that don't ask the questions. I'm saying after practicing, ask the questions. My point is after practicing, ask the questions. Now I have observed some of the students, they are not practicing, they are not doing anything. And one of the students has came to me and he asked, sir, could you explain this program? I have started explaining. When I'm trying to explain, just in between, I asked, yesterday, have you done this one? He told that, no, sir, I have not done anything. So without doing anything, just he is listening to 1.5 hour class and next day he's coming and he's asking, which is a wrong one. If you continue in the same way, there is no use. Okay. Now here we are going to have all these things. So I request everyone. Okay. Now the point is, okay, don't worry about the lag or don't worry. Here in the Naresh IT, there is no rule that we have to complete the course on this day only. If it takes extra 1 month also, no one is going to object. Only the students has to sit. If the student is having the interest means, we can take even 1 month extra also. So that is not a problem. We can go slowly only, as usual only. Everything is normal only. No difference will be there. Okay. So these are the things which we are going to cover in the further, and make sure that you are completing the task on time. Now till now I have shared for you multiple tasks I have shared. And also I have shared you guys, whatever is in the syllabus, every letter in the syllabus will be covered. You don't need to ask specially whether it is there or not, nothing. Have you seen the syllabus copy? Are you having the demo recording with you, miss? Enough. In that, whatever I have discussed, everything will be covered. Order is different. Whatever is in your mind, order is different. Whatever is my mind, order is different. Okay, you will think that we will complete like this. I will go with the as per the real-time project. What is the order? That one I will go. Only that difference is no need to ask the question, are we going to cover this one? Are we going to cover this one? Are we in the syllabus copy? Every letter will be covered. Each and every letter in the syllabus copy. Okay. In the syllabus copy, that letter is not there, means it is not covered. No need to ask separately also. Is the point is clear? Online students. Now coming to the task, I have shared you earlier some task and also assignments. I have shared you the task and assignments, and based on these tasks and assignments, okay, till now what I have shared, I'm going to upload the solutions. All the solutions I'm going to upload by end of the day. By end of the day. Whoever has not done till now, whoever has not done or has not completed the task or assignment, you are having the time for you to complete the task and assignments by end of the day. Okay, please complete. Okay, Ankur, just now I have told that whatever is in the syllabus copy, everything will be covered, right? Have you listened that one? Ankur? Yeah, if it is in the syllabus copy, it will be covered. Don't worry. Whatever is there in the syllabus copy, everything will be covered. Done? So, task, assignments, whatever I have shared till now, everything I'm going to upload the solutions by end of the day. So try to complete everything. And from Monday onwards, what are the sessions we are taking, make sure that you are completing everything on time. Because the basics, once we complete slowly, we enter into the advanced. That advanced part only is more important. Okay, I'm saying once again for you, whoever are not practicing properly, who are not dedicating their time for understanding the concepts, remember, slowly the subject becomes difficult. Why? data analytics course or data science course, they call it as difficult subject. If anyone has told you this one like this means the only one and only reason. Okay, if it is difficult, anyone has told you like that, or if you have felt like that means there is only one reason for this. One and only reason will be there. What is the reason for this is because we are not regular either to classes or regular with practice. Regular to classes or not regular with the practice, 100% those students will feel it is a difficult subject. No doubt in that. Blindly you fix this one. See, and because it is a interlinked subject. If you don't know the previous topic, you will not understand tomorrow's topic. That is the meaning of interlinked. For example, tomorrow I'm going to connect the next. What is the next topic? Functions. If you want to understand functions, the previous topics, everything you should be good. If you are not good at any one of the topic on the above, functions you will not understand. If you don't understand function, you will not understand modules. If you don't understand modules, then next libraries you will not understand. So everything are connected in that way. When they are connected to each other, for example, there is a cycle chain or bike chain. One chain is there and they are connected to each other. In that, one of the connection is loose. What happens? In the entire connection, multiple connections will be there. Have you seen your bike chain? In that, how many connections will be there, you know? If you want, you can go and check. If you are having the cycle or bicycle, whatever you are having, just check. How many connections are there for that chain? Just out of 100 connections, one connection you make it remove. Just remove one connection out of 100. Just remove only one and see whether the chain will work or not. Just apply the same logic for the data analytics course also. Data analytics course is purely connected subject. If this is not in our degree, multiple subjects, one subject is not connected to another subject. If you attend one class and if you don't attend another class, there is no connection. One night before, if you practice means we'll clear the exams. That story is degree story. That is not data analytics story. If you apply the same story in data analytics, it is going to be a problem. Right? Now, the point is, I have explained all these things now from almost half an hour, 20 minutes, almost 20 minutes. I'm explaining so many things, right? Now, I will ask a simple question. How many of you are practicing every day? Please raise your hand in this class. Rise. Completely rise properly. Done? Your practice. And whoever are having till now any questions, who are having the questions till now, whatever we have discussed. If I ask the raise hand means 100% the student who is going to raise the hand is the person who has not practiced only. The person who has practiced will not raise the hand in this class. The person who has just listening to the classes and going to outside now, he will only raise the hand and he will, because he will try to recollect the previous classes in that 1.5 hours. He will not get that one and he will forget everything and he will ask me to explain once again. His laziness is punishment for me. Right? And now in this case, what I have to do? I know all these things now. I'm explaining means I know all these things now. Now what I have to do? You tell me. Now what I have to do? The person who is not practicing and simply he is trying to listen my classes and he wants to complete everything in the class only and he want to recollect in the class only and he will ask me to explain yesterday's class one more time means for that particular student should I explain one more time or should I say array stupid first go and practice. What should I tell? According to you, what I have to tell? If I say like this means you'll think that I'm harsh. If I say that one means it is called as encouraging the lazy people. In this situation, what I have to do? You tell me. Which is correct procedure according to you? I will follow that one only. Is the points are clear? Now, second most important thing is to check whether you are practicing every day or not. Okay. Now, I'm going to conduct the exam. When? Now only. Now only. And whoever the student is interested to take the exam, you can write the exam. Whoever is not interested, you can leave. I'm not going to force any student to write the exam compulsory. Exam means, from my point of view, it is testing our knowledge. Till now, whatever the things we have learned, testing our knowledge. In the brain, something is there means we'll test. Brain only nothing is there means what will test? What will test? Testing knowledge is called as, how to testing the knowledge is nothing but my exam. Okay. Sir, in my brain, nothing is there, sir. I have forgot everything. Miss, no need to write the exam. Don't waste your valuable time. I don't want your Kamal Hassan skills in the class. Go and show your acting skills outside to person who will get impressed for your acting skills in front of Rajamouli or someone director. Don't show your acting skills in front of me. I don't want your acting skills. No need to show that without knowing the subject, I know everything. No need to prove like that. For your acting skills, I'm not going to give any Oscar award. I'm not going to give any award also because I'm not having them. So waste of time. Without having the subject proving in front of me that I'm having the subject, I know this one, that one. All this build-up is waste. Whether if you have the subject means, really, if you're having the subject means, you'll get the job blindly. That only says that, whether you are having the subject or not. Job is there means subject is there. Job is not there means subject is not there. Simple point. You don't need to prove to your friends. In front of your friends, if you give the build-up also, temporarily you will give. If there is no job, what is the answer? Finally, all your build-ups is going to be end is no matter with this person also. Is the point is clear? So I'm going to conduct the exam now. What are the topics we have completed till now? In that, I'm going to conduct the exam. And who are sincerely interested, both offline and online. Both offline and online. Both offline and online. We are going to have the exam now. Both of them simultaneously. Okay. And whoever are interested, please write the exam. Whoever are not interested, happily you go outside. I'm not going to object you. I'm not going to stop you. I will not remember your name also, your face also. Don't think that if I go outside now, sir will see me. He will do something. Array, this is not college. I'm not the lab internal or external or HOD to fail you. Okay, I'm not having that much of interest. I'm not having that much of human brain also to remember your face. That much of brain power is also not there for me. Because unnecessary things, I don't want to waste my memory. I know what is the valuable of my memory. Which is more important, I'll store them. Which is unimportant, simply I'll shift delete that one. I don't waste my RAM. RAM memory or hard disk memory. Both of them I will not waste for unnecessary things. If I remember student face and I have to take the revenge on this student and I have to fail that one, I should not give the job. That much of brain is not there for me. I am only accepting now. Okay. I can't do that one because as of now, presently, in Naresh IT, 4 batches I am taking. In the 4 batches, all the student completely. As of now, whatever in Naresh IT only, close to in these 4 batches, almost 500 to 600 students are there. In the Naresh IT weekdays. In weekends, what are the trainings I will give? There almost 300 are there. Means 900 students are going as of now. Do you think that 900 student names can I remember? Is that practically possible? In this class, entire class, did one student, did I ask what is your name till now? If you say also, I can't remember. Unless any special incidents happen. Generally, if any student comes and asks me the doubt, I will explain the doubt only. I will not ask his name also. What is your name also? I don't want, because there is no use for me. If the student really having the subject, automatically at the end, I'll understand now. I will only, for example, the student is having the subject, have you got the job or no, miss? I will give the job or I will give the reference. For the good students, I'll automatically, it comes automatically by default. Remaining students, remaining only. Right? Now I'm going to conduct the exam for both offline and online students. And whoever the students are interested, only those students please write. And once I share the question paper to you, and in that question paper, 50 questions are there. It is a multiple choice questions. Okay, 50 questions are there. Now, every question correct answer is 1 mark. Wrong answer is minus 3 marks. Okay, correct answer is +1. Wrong answer is -3. Okay, point number 1. Point number 2. Assume you are copying from others. 50 questions. Out of 50 questions, basically you have done 40 questions correctly. Okay, you got 40 marks. And remaining 10 questions you have copied. Let's take an example. You have copied and you got 10 marks. After copying, you got 10 marks. Means out of 50 you got 50 marks you have got. Now you will feel that you are a great person, but internally you know na how many marks you have got. That is how many marks is actual your marks, you know, right? Now by copying this extra 10 marks, what you want to prove to others that you are very good at copying? Huh? Obviously you copy from your friend only. Na? Your friend also knows that you are copying. Na? To whom you are proving now? To me. Huh? If you get 50 out of 50 also, I will not do anything. I will not even say very good. I will not even say very good also. I will not even give the Nobel Prize or Oscar award or nothing also. If you get 50 out of 50 also. Purely it is used for testing your knowledge. In what position you are there, in which position you are there. Wherever you are making the mistakes, which topic you have not understand properly, and to revise that topic. For that, I am keeping the exam. No, sir, I want to show my copying skills. I want to see others' paper only. By default, exam means my head will go like this only. Right side, whatever the others are writing only. That is by default nature for me from my childhood onwards, miss. Enjoy. Continue. I will not object. If you copy also in front of me, I'm not going to stop you. If you copy in front of me also, I will not stop you. Happily copy, feel yourself, and you got high marks. And bluff yourself, finally you only don't get the job. Be happy. Bluff yourself. Actual content is that your real marks are 40 marks. And by copying, if you get 50 marks, feel yourself you are a 50 marks student. Bluff yourself. With that bluff, what you will get, you only have to know. Here, I'm not going to conduct internal exams, external exams, and these marks are not going to kept in the certificate. And based on that, campus interviews will not be decided. So what is the use of this marks? Means nothing use, only to test your knowledge. To test yourself, in which position you are there, how much you have understand. For that purpose only the test. Is that clear now? After listening all these things also, if you copy also, you are great. Literally you are great. Great people I will never touch. Great people, wild animals, and kids. These three people are very dangerous. Okay? Kids of less than 1 year. Wild animals. Great people. We should not touch these three categories. Okay? Out of these three, if you touch means, okay, it is going to be a problem from my point of view. Okay? So I'm not going to touch the great people. After listening all these things also, they'll copy and they'll write the answers now. Okay, enjoy. Now I'm going to share the question paper. Now how you are going to write the exam is, everyone please take one white paper. I mean, white paper or rule paper, what are in your notes, one paper. Take one paper. Okay, suddenly I'm keeping the exam now. So that is the reason, please take the paper. From next time onwards, I will only provide the paper also. So please take the paper, one paper. And I'm going to upload the question paper. Yeah, everyone please take the paper. Online students, everyone please take one Word document or notepad. Online students, take Word document, MS Word. Take MS Word document or notepad. Choice is yours. Anyone. Take MS Word or notepad. In that, write question number 1 and write the option. Question number 2, write the option. Okay, either A, B, C, D. Only write the option. No need of justifications. Just write A, B, C, D. Out of which one is the correct option, write that one. Okay. Everyone. Online students. Done. So please take a Word document or notepad and take the questions 1, 2, 3 like this and write the option. If question 1 is A means write A, B means write B. That's it. You don't need to write the justification or anything. And once you have done this one, share your answers to SRK mock test 5 at the rate of gmail.com. SRK mock test 5 at the rate of gmail.com. To this one, you have to share. Online students. Offline students, you can submit your white paper and you can leave. Right? And just online students, make sure that, and offline students, everyone, write the name clearly. If you are forwarding your mail, miss, write in that mail along with this notepad file, whatever you are attaching now, along with that name. Write your name and your batch details, batch timings. Batch timings, that is 9 a.m. So that because this same thing will be done for other batches also now. Now only. Take the exam now only, submit immediately after the exam. Now only. Okay. Batch timings, just write 9 to 10:30 and course is data analytics. Course data analytics. Okay. These three please mention clearly. Okay. If you don't write your name or batch or course, we'll consider this one as a invalid and will not evaluate your answer sheet. Okay, the students who are not sharing their name or batch or anything, we cannot identify based on your mail ID, we cannot give the marks. So these three are compulsory when you are forwarding your mail. Okay, so these three and attach your answer sheet. Attach your answer sheet. What are the notepad file or whatever is there? That one, attach your answer sheet. After attaching, just mention these three things also. That is name, batch timing, and course. Three of them. Okay. Now, generally batch would be in the future also your batch. How to say your batch in Naresh item is your date. What are your date started now? Some date. Date and 9 a.m. you have to say. In the future also, after 1 year, if you come back and if you say to the Naresh item, the student and something, you have to mention the starting date of your batch along with the time. Right? If you know the online students, they don't know roll number. Offline students, you know the roll number. Na? You can add the roll number. If you know, if you don't know, also not a problem. Ignore the roll number. Is the points are clear? Now, coming to the question paper, I'm going to upload the question paper now. Where? In the Google Drive. Okay. Just everyone open your Google Drive now. Offline students and online students, both. Both offline and online students. And next week you will have the coding test. This is MCQ based test today, and you are going to have the coding test next week. So here I'm going to create a folder called as module wise test. Just a minute. I'm uploading. Yeah, just give me 1 minute. Yeah, guys, I have uploaded. You can check now. There is a folder called as module wise test. Folder name called as module wise test. In that folder, there is in terms of PDF, which consists of questions. Just you can open the question paper and write the exam now. And once your exam is completed, you can submit your paper and you can leave. Now there is option for you to copy from your friend. There is an option to copy directly from your mobile phone. And online students, you can copy from wherever you want. That is your choice. Or you can write on your own. If there is a more than one option correct means you have to write multiple options. If two options are correct options are there, write that one. If any question paper, any question is mistake is there, leave that question. Don't ask me. Okay. Anything mistake is there means automatically you'll get the full marks. Yeah. Online students. Yeah, we'll have the function on the Monday. Function class on Monday. Function means function related class. Done. Yeah, please take the exam now.